Okay, this is the top Bar Beehive. I'm trying to get out of the shadow there. We're gonna have about. I'm gonna make it with better wood. This is actually plywood. I'm still gonna use it, but I'd rather have better ones. The top bar hives. Here you can see a window. If I open up, I got a little thing here. Okay, this is the inside. You can't really see very well, okay, because of the glare, but that's inside using the window. So you don't have to always open it up to have a look and see what the bees are doing. Okay, so there's the roof. The roof is really pretty lightweight. Take this off. And there are the bars. Here is a follower board. Each one of these bars are for cone and work pretty well. So that's pretty cool. Gotta take these off. If you can see in there very well, but there's a screen down there. And in the middle there will be a sticky board to catch mites or anything that might fall. And the screen will keep the bees from touching it. So these will work out fairly well, I think. It'll be better once we get to Virginia because I'll have more room and it'll be easier to make things like this. It's kind of hard trying to do this in a small apartment outside or anything like that, but it didn't turn out too bad for what I have.